welcome to the Lucky Review channel. Today I am going to discuss about the copyright blueprints. So before going towards the topic, whatever I am discussing, if you new here, please press the subscribe button because I am come up with the new and very important tools which is used in our daily routine life and you can use in your business and many other activities like industry and many more. Before going to this video, I just give you the brief idea about my previous videos. I have also made one videos on YouTube videos so that how to increase the traffic on that particular things. And now yesterday I have uploaded 1 or 2 3 videos which is based on the face mask. It is the very important during the coronavirus time period and many other world email finders and many other different products. So before going towards the copywriting blueprints, so if you new here, please press the subscribe button. So first of all, understanding of the copyright blueprint, it is the very important parts because most of the audience, it is not clear cut ideas about the what is the meaning of the copyright blueprint. The copyright blueprint is a complete crash course that you will teach you. I will be a book. It is already explain and teach you all the fundamental you need to start writing powerful and very effective copyright today so that you can make a unique content for your requirement, and inside you will find a proven framework that you can use today to write incredible copies. What does the copywriter do? So the copywriter creates a clear compelling copy to sell the products or educated and engage the consumer. Flexibility, writing visuals and website blogs and post products descriptions, email based, banner advertisement, newspapers, white papers, social media marketing. I already explained about that, including Twitter, Facebook and Instagram. So that before wasting the time, I am moving towards the discovery the history, trade secrets to creating high covering ads copy while making a fortune as a high paid copywriting expert. After reading this book, you are able to explain expert in the particular area. It means that copywriting expert. So that once again I would be recommended to you, if you want to purchase this book, then please visit the link which is already mentioned in the description. After click on this link, you can move on to this page. So I will be explaining you or introduce about this place so that when you comes on this page, you have not feel that this is the I am not understanding about these particular things. It is easy to understand these particular things. So dear friends, do you know that feeling and settings in for the evening cuts up a fresh cup of hot chocolate and delicious book that you just can't seem to pull down? You read the chapter after a chapter and turning the page, ignoring the world around you as you are completely absorbed in the fantasy stories that unfolding with every turn of the page. That feeling of the being twisted and pulled by someone words completely under the control of a compelling stories that engage you, entertainment you. Means when you reading these particular books, at that time you are not some kind of boring chapters. It is make in a very unique and effective way so that you can entertainment, and with this you are able to gain a more and more concept. It is already some kind of peoples who wants to purchase these products, and some of the peoples already read about these books, so that it virtually impossible to pull away from. It's stuff that good copyrights is all about. And nowadays there is some kind of people's it is not having that much of time to make an unique and effective content, so that copywriting it is the very important keywords, or you can focus on this word. Without copywriting you cannot make a very unique content, so that when you making a unique content, at that time you are giving some kind of times, so that it's also why copyrights are some of the highest paid in demanding service provider both online and offline. In their magically able to transform the world into the vivid images to paint a clear picture of a scene or situation, and to take that control and funnel it into the invoking an emotional response from the readers. Have you like to learn and deepest, darkest secrets to the internet most strong after copyrights? You have generated the $1,000s for every single page they write. Mind-blowing sentence it is. I have explained about that. Please press the subscribe button on that, because who have generated the $1,000s, you can't imagine what they are telling you. $1,000s for every single page they read. Introduction Copywriting Blueprint, complete guide to instant copyright mastery. And you, after reading this particular book, you are able to means copyright expert. You can copyright anything and any field. The most exclusive and valuable information within the page of the copyright blueprints. You will be given an depth look at how copyrights use the power of the word to invoke powerful, emotional and driven responses that will drive your conversion rate through the roof. So whenever you are interested in becoming a high paid copyright yourself, or you simply wants to learn inside the secret to crafting the highest quality sales page copy possible, the Copyrights Blueprints is a complete guide to mastery and most important elements to online and offline business. So here just a few of many things you will learn. First of all, discovery how copyrights use a combination of power words. Means when you designing a particular contents, at that time you are able to and you are putting some words to attract more people. At that time I would be recommended you also use some kind of images to attract more people. And when you reading a particular person, at that time you not feel the boring kind of subjects, so that you can make a unique content with a powerful and guaranteed the successful of every sales page that create. Means creativity it is inflected in this each and every place. Drive your sales through the roof with a simple yet powerful structure that reach out to this one buyer and invoke a response driven emotional that we will set your visitors into the buying frenzy. What you need to avoid if you want to blow the lead of conversation. There are critical elements you need to know if you want to eliminate any chance of your marketing campaign being a failure. So I have skipped to this point because the video length is more, so that very few people are interested. So that I will be making a videos in within 15 minutes, so that all the peoples are reading or watch full videos with full entertainment and much more. In fact, Copywriting Blueprint is the most definitive guides to start your career as a successful copywriter, even if you have never been successful before. So this is the important things. Now I would be mentioning you to the need written a sales to copyright if you want to be successful in any business in the world. So that now I would be telling you the last point of this video. It is nothing but the price you all are familiar with. At the end of this video, I would be recommended you only one more $27 price. You can pay using the via different payment gateway. First of all, the PayPal, Visa and MasterCard. Suppose some people don't know about the PayPal. I will be making videos about the PayPal reviews and Visa and MasterCard. It is two are the Indian or debit card. All the peoples are heard about that. And to your this one conversation, sincerely this particular copyright blueprints, and I will be skip some parts on this page so that you can read out all those things. And this is the nice image of copyright blueprints. Once again, if you want to buy this particular books during the coronavirus time period, all peoples are free, so that you can put some kind of money, so you can invest some kind of money. At that time you can reveal back or profit, gain more and more in your business. So once again, if you want to purchase this kind of the book, then you can visit the link which is already mentioned in the description. And thanks for listening this video, and thank you very much.